Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make restaurant-style ice cream using an easy method. You will be amazed at how simple it is to create a rich, creamy dessert right in your own kitchen. We will start by gathering just a few basic ingredients that are likely already in your pantry or easily found at any grocery store. Get ready to impress your friends and family. Now, let's prepare our delicious ice cream base. In a large bowl, combine 2 cups of rich, heavy cream with 1 cup of whole milk. Slowly incorporate 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, making sure it completely dissolves into the liquid. Finally, stir in 1½ teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. This simple mixture forms the foundation of your incredibly creamy dessert. With our base ready, it is time for the magic of churning. Carefully pour your chilled ice cream mixture into your ice cream maker, following its specific instructions. Allow it to churn for about 20 to 25 minutes. During this time, the mixture will transform, becoming wonderfully thick and reaching a perfect soft-serve consistency. Remember, do not over-churn for the best texture. Almost there. Once your ice cream has reached that delightful soft-serve stage, transfer it into an airtight container. Place the container in your freezer for a minimum of 4 hours, or until it is firm enough to scoop easily. Now, you have created a truly restaurant-quality dessert at home. Serve it up with your favorite toppings and enjoy every single creamy bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.